Nigerian man has come out to lament how a wife he went to Nigeria to marry with his money is frustrating him over there in Germany.
My people, this is more than I can take. I never expected that life would be like this. But now that he has gotten to this stage, it's time for me to let the whole world know what is going on. Because if I do anything now, government will chase me out of the house. And she will be the one to inherit all I have achieved since I came to Europe. I don't know what I have done to this woman. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this at all. The woman I went to Nigeria to marry with my heart in money. My name is Ebele. I live here in Germany. But Anyama Funantem